Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with our new question, and that is for Google Ads for physiotherapists. So, what will be the best marketing strategy for Google Ads for physiotherapists? So, the best strategy for physiotherapists is, remember one rule while working with Google Ads is that you are paying for money for each visitor to land on your website, so your experience on your landing page should be optimum, maximum, amazing. So the first thing which I recommend, for any marketing strategy is to have an amazing, awesome landing page. So in case if you want to win with physiotherapy, you need to have a winning landing page. Now there are few things which I'm going to tell you in general, then I will show you some of the landing pages as well. That your landing page should have clear CTA form, lead form, or whatever your goal is. Okay, that is first thing with with landing page. Should have email newsletter, you know because you want to maintain a relation with your client. So to maintain relation with your client, you need to have it. Then you need to have a blog section plus YouTube channel, so where you can guide on about different physiotherapy techniques, different addressing different problems, solutions. So you can bring authenticity and trust with this. Okay, so this will help in authenticity plus trust with Google Ads. After doing this section as well, okay, you need to have a services page, areas you're gonna serve. Okay, first, so now when you are done with this as well, your next strategy is going to be your campaign strategy. Okay, for campaign strategy, okay, I believe creating small campaigns for each areas. Okay, first of all, figure out what areas you're gonna serve. For instance, if you're gonna serve 6 areas in a city, create 6 campaigns, one for each city plus one retargeting campaign. Okay, that is going to be the winning for you. Now I'm asking, what will be the best bidding strategy? Okay, in my opinion, first of all, run with manual CPC, then shift to maximize clicks, and then go with maximize conversions or impression share with top position only, where your ad is only being shown on the top. Now these are the few things which I'm going to recommend. Then I also recommend is to work on your timings, days when you get the most sales. These are very essential. Now the second part is, if you ask me regarding the keywords research, that would be the part I'm going to discuss later on. First of all, I'm going to discuss regarding the ads. So for the ads, I have a simple preview tool which I'm going to show you. So so now first of all works with ad. Okay, for ads, you can have this one as well. You can see over here that this is a kind of a simple ad you are going to see. So I recommend to add extensions like a call extension, like a location extension. This helps bring authenticity, advertiser rating. If you have a pricing program, you can have the pricing as well. This is gonna attract a lot. Side link extensions is also a good add-on. For other extensions, I do not recommend adding other extensions. I can also add a promo extension or a price extension. Either way is fine with Google Ads. But the ad like this, look at this ad, how amazing this ad. So your ad needs to be very appealing. You need to work around on an appealing landing page ad. That is going to be the win-win for you. So now the next part is regarding the landing page, and then I'm going to show you some keywords as well. So now let's look around for the landing page. Okay, so here are a few of the landing pages which you can see. For instance, this is a kind of a landing page. I believe to show yourself, branding, authenticity, trust increases. So your picture like this, a form over here, without even scrolling. This is the kind of a landing page which I like. but I'm going to show you other landing pages as well. Now this is, although this is a dental landing page, but this can work well with physiotherapy offer as well. You have your free assessment, explain them. This is a kind of a landing page which I like. you know there is another landing page as well. You can see this one. The face increases the authority, trust, that plays a huge role. Let me close this one as well, so guys can see clearly the landing pages. Now this is another landing page example over here as well. You can see dental care, explaining them, service, book an appointment, and you're explaining about your experience, the doctors you have, services at your dental clinic, what our patient says. This brings authenticity. Our latest news, which I was saying at the start, like you need to have a blog where you can explain. Then at the end you can see subscribe to get the latest update. So email newsletter to bring a relationship. Then your social media pages, links, these are going to work well. I'm going to show you more landing pages as well. Like this is another landing page, but this one lacks design and lacks attraction. This is an amazing landing page. You can see this is what I like. Like over here, a landing page with a clear offer over here. Then very traction, authenticity. Then burn more fat, but you can have something relevant to your field. Then explain about your product, service, package, explaining about your product, and then having a newsletter over here, and then some social media icons for trust. Then you can have your about us pages as well, about yourself as a doctor, about what you have been working, explain your case studies on your YouTube channel. That also helps in bringing authenticity to grab more customers. Okay, now so for keyword research, now that is a very very important part. Again, I recommend people to have as much as you know keywords as possible. So first of all, you can have something like this. For instance, if I'm targeting, for instance, uh, New York or London. I'm gonna see London areas. Okay, for instance, I'm gonna create campaigns for this one: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's going to be huge. 9 campaigns. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is okay, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to have something. For instance, I'm going to have a near me in each campaign, because I told I need to have a different campaign for each area. So I'm going to add near me, Whitehall, like physiotherapy near Whitehall, something like this, with each campaign that is going to be work very well. Or physiotherapy near me, and then I'm going to add something like this, the city. Okay, and then I will also have a general ad group. Okay, where I'm gonna name like physiotherapy in London. Okay, now this is going to be my winning over here, because I'm getting some data, and that is how I'm gonna be look around. Also, competitors keywords can also be very helpful. Competitive keywords, your search terms can also be helpful, plus search terms. Okay, in case if you need a professional help in Google Ads audit, for this, me and my team help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us. But I'm just explaining you the process over here. You need to look around for your negative keywords as well. And also, if you ask me which keyword match type is good, you know which keyword match type is good, so then my recommendation is to go with phrase match, and that is going to be a very very winning strategy for you guys to win around. Okay, I will also look around for some in my keywords tab as well, so you guys have an idea. So you can see, if I discover new keyword again, we also use some professional keyword tools as well, which like SpyFu and SEMrush. But again, I cannot do with you guys in front of it. So you can see over here, I can see my location as well. I can set my location, like I can set United Kingdom, or even better if I'm targeting London over here. Because just giving you an example, simply select the save, get the results. I can also write the website. So you can see that they have compiled me like physiotherapy at home, I could have a separate keyword for ad group for that, and I could target for this physiotherapy near me. That was a very good keyword. Physiotherapy centers, physiotherapy clinic, physiotherapy treatments. So I'm getting a lot of, I can also broaden my search through this, and I can get more keywords, more data. Again, like now I have 1000 keywords. So physical rehabilitation, that is can also be a very good. And then that there are very different kind of physiotherapy services. Like after pregnancy services, we can create specific campaigns for that as well. Again, now also you may be worried on what would be the best bid price or CPC price for each click. Okay, that may be another interesting question for you guys. Okay, it can vary. The start may be different, then eventually it may be different. So let's start with $1. Let's start with around $3. Then adjust, fluctuate. You may have to spend more clicks because your quality score will play a huge role over here. So optimize your quality score, optimize your click-through rate to get the maximum out of it, to get the most out of it, and that can eventually help you in creating an awesome, amazing campaign. So yeah, this is for now. I hope this answers almost all of your questions regarding if you want to set a professional campaign for Google Ads for physiotherapy. But in case if you need a professional help, audit, setup, management for your physiotherapy services, or in case if you are in another field and want a professional help in Google Ads, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we're going to help make sure to create an amazing, awesome Google Ads campaign for you. So once again, thank you for watching. In case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.